Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use RedNote. In just 5 minutes, I'll show you everything you need to know to get started. Let's begin with the home feed. When you open the app, you'll land on the home feed. Here, you can scroll through posts from the people you follow or trending content. It's the main hub where you can like, comment, and engage with content. As you can see here, you can like the video by tapping heart icon. You can leave a comment here. To add video to your collection, you need to tap on the star icon. To share a video, tap arrow at the bottom. Next, let's move to the video tab. This is where you'll find all the video content, curated based on your interests. You can swipe through and interact just like you would on the home feed. Now, let's create a note. To start, tap on the plus button. I will add a photo to my note. You can select video if you want. Also, I will add effects to photo to make it stand out. Here you can add text, stickers, or crop the photo. Title can be inserted here. Add text, description, stickers, or other elements to your note. Once your content is ready, set your audience by choosing who can view your note. Public, invisible to selected users, visible to selected users, visible to friends, or private. Then hit Post button. Moving on to the Messages tab. Here, you can view and respond to private messages from other users. It's a great way to connect and have one-on-one conversations. Now, let's check out the profile page. On your profile, you can showcase your content, see your followers, and more. I also demonstrated how to change your cover photo and profile picture. It's a simple process. Just tap on the profile or cover photo and upload or select one from your gallery. Finally, let's explore the settings. Tap on the gear icon at the top of your profile page. From here, you can access account security to manage your login details, general settings for basic app preferences, notification settings to customize alerts, privacy settings to control who sees your content and interacts with you. And that's it. Now you know how to navigate RedNote. I'll also be making more videos on how to RedNote, covering specific features in detail. Stay tuned and let me know in the comments if there's a particular topic you'd like to see next. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this.